Good morning class 6. This is your English class. Now open page number 46 in your English book. In the previous video we have started chapter 2.2 of unit 2, that is about the topic Black Beauty. The story Black Beauty is written by the writer Anna Sewell. Okay. So in the previous video we have already studied about the first part of this topic. In this video we are going to read and learn the next part of this topic, and the name of the topic is My New Master. So let's read and try to understand the meaning. When I was about 5, I was sold to a man called Squire Gordon. Okay. See here what a squire means. Squire means formerly a title given to a man of high social status who owned land in a country area. Okay. So see the line once again. When I was about 5 means when the horse was 5 years old, it was sold to a new man whose name is Squire Gordon. My new master was as kind as the first one. The new master of the horse was also kind like his previous master. There was a discussion between him and his wife as to what I should be called. After the horse was sold to a new man whose name was Squire Gordon, there was a discussion between his new master and his wife. The discussion was about what they will call the horse, by which name they will call the new horse. Two names, Ebony and Blackbird, were suggested. They have decided to call the horse by two names. The names were Ebony and Blackbird. Then the wife thought of Black Beauty, and Squire Gordon liked it. After that, his master's wife decided a new name. The name is Black Beauty, and the master also agreed with the name. He also liked the name Black Beauty. Thus I was given my new name. In this way, the horse was given a new name by his new master, and the name was Black Beauty. Squire Gordon had two other horses, Ginger and Merrylegs. The horse's new master, whose name is Squire Gordon, he had two more horses whose name were Ginger and Merrylegs. At first, Ginger did not like me. At first, the horse Ginger did not like Black Beauty. She was a beautiful brown mare. She was a beautiful brown mare. Ginger was a beautiful brown mare, but she used to bite and kick. She was beautiful brown mare, but she had a bad habit. The habit is she used to bite and kick other horses. The next day, when Ginger was out, Merrylegs said, the next day when Ginger was going to its master's work, then Merryleg, the other horse, another horse, Merryleg, said to Black Beauty that don't be angry with Ginger. Don't be angry with Ginger. People were very cruel to her when she was young. When Ginger was young, people were very cruel to her. They used to flog her. What flog means? Flog means beat severely, especially with a rod or whip. Okay, beat severely, especially with a rod or whip. People used to beat Ginger with even rod and whip. The unkind treatment gave her bad temper. The unkind treatment of the people gave Ginger a bad temper. But she works hard and you will soon begin to like her. But Ginger works very hard, and I hope soon you will become a very good friend with Ginger. Merrylegs said these statements to Black Beauty, and Merrylegs was right. After that, Black Beauty felt that Merrylegs was right. Soon Ginger and I become very good friends. Soon Ginger and I became very good friends. Okay. Black Beauty told that Merrylegs was right, because now Ginger and Black Beauty became good friends. We used to pull our master's carriage together. Black Beauty and Ginger used to pull their master's carriage together. One day, my master harnessed me to his dog cart to take him to town. Okay, what harnessed and dog cart means? See here. Harness means to put a set of leather straps and metal parts put round a horse's head and body so that the horse can be controlled and fastened to the cart that it pulls. Then see what dog cart means. Dog cart means a light two-wheeled horse-drawn carriage. Okay, so see here. One day, Black Beauty's master harnessed him, and he wanted to take him to the town. Okay, one day what's happened? The master of Black Beauty harnessed him to his dog cart because his master wanted to go to the town. On our return trip, night had come and a storm had risen. What risen means? See here. Begun to blow more strongly. Risen means begun to blow more strongly. This is storm. Okay. Black Beauty and his master went to a town. When they were returned from their trip, night had come. Means it became night at their time of returning from the town. It became night, and storm had risen, and storm also started at that time. I was terrified when a huge oak crashed right in front of us and blocked the road. See here, oak crashed right. What these words means? Oak means a tree with top hard wood. Crushed means fell noisily and violently. Right means exactly or directly. Okay, so see. When it became night and storm also started, the horse was terrified. Okay, because of this storm, a huge oak tree crushed in front of their way, and the road was blocked in this way because an oak tree was crushed in front of their way. We turned and went the other way along the riverside. We turned and went the other way along the riverside. See here what riverside means. Riverside means ground along the side of the river. Okay. As their road was blocked by a oak tree, the horse and its master turned leave the way, and they went to the other way on the riverside. We came to a narrow bridge. They came to a narrow bridge. But when my feet touched the bridge, I felt sure there was something wrong. When the horse's feet touched the bridge, the horse felt that surely there was something wrong. My master shouted to make me move. The horse, Black Beauty's master, shouted to make him move because there was something wrong in this bridge. His master also felt this incident, that there was something wrong on the bridge. He used his whip also. His master also used his whip to stop the horse. But neither words nor whip could make me move. But neither his master's words nor his master's whip make the horse to move. Make able the horse to move. Then a man came out yelling that the bridge had given in the middle. See, yelling and given. What these words means? See here. Yelling means crying sharply. Given means collapsed, broken down. Okay? Given means broken down and collapsed. Then a man came out yelling that the bridge had given in the middle. At that time, a man was coming there and told them that the bridge was broken in the middle. I shall never forget my master's loving words of gratitude and the supper he gave me that night. See here what gratitude means. Words of gratitude means words to express thanks. Okay. So see, I shall never forget my master's loving words of gratitude. Okay. The horse was telling that he never forgot his master's loving words of gratitude and the supper that his master had given him that night. So students, today you have to read this portion